So a lot of hype about the new Bose headphones where people had some mixed feelings about them and how well they would perform compared to the QC35-2s and if it's even worth it. So we're going to check them out and see how well they are. So let's go check them out. What's up, I'm Brody and you're watching Pack Review, and today we're checking out the Bose noise canceling headphones 700, and for full transparency I did go off and purchase these with my own money just for this review. So what you see here is the new Bose noise canceling headphones, which have been redesigned from the inside to out with a price tag of $399. The headband is all one piece and it is made out of stainless steel, and there are no seams with these like you usually see with other headphones. There is a good amount of padding here and is made out of this nice soft rubber. The ear cups are made out of pretty much plastic. The QC35-2s had some aluminum to it, but I assume Bose did this to maybe reduce some costs. The ear cups do rotate and they also have some tilt to it for when they go against the side of your head. They do slide up and down this track type mechanism, and what really gets me worried is they feel like they could snap off. They don't feel as sturdy compared to our headphones that we are typically used to, but I have moved these up and down numerous of times and no issues at all. The padding on the ear cups might be a tad bit more compared to the QC35-2s. They are very comfy, very soft, and the ear cups are made from this synthetic protein leather. They kind of remind me of the Surface headphones. So now, and I think I have an average size head, when putting them on, they fit nice and they do give me some pressure, and to me it feels like it's more towards the bottom of my ear or towards the back bottom of my ear. These only have 3 buttons. On the right ear, the top one is for powering them on and also setting up Bluetooth, which has version 5.0. These have auto off, which is done by motion detection. The headphones power off when you have not moved them for more than 10 minutes, but you can change this inside the Bose Music app. The bottom button is used for a couple of things. You can mute a call, and is also used for enabling your voice assistants, which you can configure if you want Google Assistant or Alexa from the Bose Music app as well. The button on the left ear is for noise cancellation. You can cycle through 3 modes. 0 for hear through, 5 for a little sound cancellation, and then 10 which would be at max cancellation that it can do. You can also go through the noise cancellation through the app, which gives you more option to dial it in to what you really like. On the right ear, there is touch controls for normal use of controlling music and answering calls. To me, these are the best touch features that I've tested out on a pair of headphones. Very responsive, and it is also sensitive. When I increased the volume with one swipe, it actually took it from 0 to, not 0, about 50 to 100%. So it is sensitive. It charges by USB-C, and it also comes with a 2.5mm to 3.5mm. So if you do lose it, make sure to get this type of cable. You can store them in a nice case, which they did a great job keeping it slim and as small as possible, since these do not fold like the QC35-2s. The battery life is 20 hours of playtime, which I am sure we were all hoping to see more, because a lot of new headphones with the some or same features is more than 30 hours. It does have quick charge. 15 minutes gives you 3.5 hours, and it takes 2.5 hours to charge them to full. The 700s have a total of 8 microphones. 6 are used as part of the noise cancellation technology, which work really good. Probably one of the best that I have tested out, but I want to test them more in different environments. Now, as for the call quality, I was actually pretty pleased with it, and I think Bose did a pretty good job with the microphones. They take 2 microphones from the noise cancellation and combined it with 2 other microphones to help reduce any background noise, and also the call quality to make sure it's nice and clear for somebody on the other line. And I've tested in different environments, and everybody said it sounds really, really good. I tested outside. They said that they can hear the cars going by, but it's very, very low, but they can still hear me just fine. So I definitely am very pleased with the microphones with the call quality. We have new drivers installed in the 700s, and the sound quality, at least to me, is better than the QC35-2s. The highs and mids are clear. The bass, it's there, but nothing for your bass enthusiasts. I played a song called Roads by Portishead, and at 4 minutes 38 seconds, she opens her mouth to sing again, and you can hear her lips open, so these have some really good clarity. Then I played a live version of the Hotel California, and these headphones gave off some great imaging. When the solo of the congas start, you have that good bass. It's, like I said, it's there, but nothing over top. And then the instruments on the stage, you can definitely hear them in the headphones as to where they are on the stage. There's a guitar playing in the front right, and then you have another instrument playing in the back, far right of the stage, and then in like the speakers, you can tell exactly where they are, and it really makes you feel like you're there at that live concert. So what really disappointed me the most out of this whole experience is actually the Bose Music app. There's really nothing to it. You can adjust your noise cancellation, you can get software updates, you can actually set 3 different favorites for your noise cancellation, but you can't do anything with EQ. You can't adjust your highs, your mids, your lows. I was expecting to see this in an app, especially with a new model, and sadly it does not. Now Bose can simply update the app and add this feature. Not sure if they will, but keep that in mind. So wrapping up here, Bose made a whole new design. Comfortable, more features like the 8 microphones for better call quality and the noise cancellation. Great sound quality, well balanced clarity, and the good imaging. A little bit better than a QC35-2s in my opinion. Yeah, they are pricey and are missing out on some of the EQ settings, and unfortunately we are still at the 20 hours of battery life, but if you have the money, I would try these out and see how well they are to you. Bose made a great pair of headphones. Now let's kind of see what Sony comes out with next. As always guys, thanks for watching, and I will leave the link for the Bose 700 headphones down below in the description. If you have any questions, just hit me up in the comment section and I'll do my best on getting back to you. And that's it for today guys. I am Brody. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit that like button, hit that sub button, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.